electric aviation, drones, they're the talk of CES, I would say. There's going to be a lot of challenges. One of them is understanding when they need to be maintained. It sounds like you guys have a solution for that. Why don't you tell us about that?
Yes. Hi, I'm Jeannie from WEFLO. So we're based in Korea and we are developing the inspection solution for drone and AAM, which is we are talking about the future air mobility. Yes, as you may mention, it's all about the maintenance. We are starting and developing the solution to detect any kind of failure for the drone and AAM might have.
And it sounds like it's pretty interesting technology. Looking at that video over there, you're detecting based on signatures, it sounds like.
Yes, so the key point we have here is a contactless solutions. So contactless inspection solutions allow us fully automated, unmanned for the fully assembled vehicle, so that we can, actually analyze if this aircraft safe enough, ready to go, fly.
And this is the type of thing that could probably be done on almost every, very regular basis.
Yes, right, correct. So the safe is the everything for the aircraft, right? So we are focusing on the services and we are offering to the customer with our solutions.
So do you see yourselves as a service provider then, or are you going to sell these devices?
We are not just providing the hardware device itself. We are offering to the customer as a one-stop solution, which means it will include the hardware device, of course, and software, AI model, along with quality consulting as well.
And so would they have supply the employee to actually staff the thing? Or?
Yes, correct. Yeah, about the everything, we try to offer the solution for the customer success.
So when will this be available commercially?
Well, for drone sector, it is already commercial phase, but the AAM, we don't have an aircraft in the market. Yeah, it's gonna be like the 2026 or 2028, whatever. So it makes some time for the AAM, but for the drone, it is already commercialized.
That's great. So you already have some experience with that. So moving into advanced air mobility, carrying people is a next step then.
Yes, right. The ultimate goal, our goal is, we are aiming to the AAM. Someday, maybe or 2 or 3 years. Within the 2 or 3 years, we expecting, our solution can be used for the, safe AAM market.
Excellent. Well, congratulations and thank you.
Thank you.